Hi, I'm Valencia Robinson, representing Moffitt Cancer Center and the entire African American community. Health is a basic human right for every person, and the right to health should include access to timely, accessible, and affordable health care of premium quality. I actually had premium quality health care when I was diagnosed with triple negative breast cancer. And it was only because I advocated for every part of my treatment and I had a job with great health insurance. Trust me, I had no idea what I was doing at the age of 33 with a 3-year-old, 4-year-old, 5-year-old, and 8-year-old. But I read everything I could put my hands on to help me make informed decisions. I asked questions. I had to change oncologists because my first oncologist was not thoughtful enough for me. So I found someone who would treat me like her own daughter, and she did everything she could to help me beat my cancer. And this is the experience that every single person who is diagnosed should have. But people of color diagnosed with any type of cancer face unique challenges throughout their diagnoses. There are dramatic health disparities because of systemic racism, lack of access to quality care, genetic differences, and many other factors. I have heard horror stories of patients. One in particular went to 11 doctors before she was diagnosed 6 years later, then to be told she was metastatic. These patients have signs of disease, but they are dismissed, they are not offered scans, they're misdiagnosed, and then they become metastatic. Racial bias in the medical field is costing the lives of too many people of color. Many times African Americans do not trust that their healthcare providers will act in their best interest. So we are sometimes less likely to seek treatment or be compliant with recommended treatment plans. But let's not forget the ways in which blacks have been used as human guinea pigs for research. Black men and the Tuskegee syphilis study and the forced sterilization of black women. And when our people are continually murdered, George Floyd, Ahmaud Arbery, Breonna Taylor, and the thousands of unarmed blacks, it causes added stress in our lives because we are terrified for our husbands, our children, our sons and daughters, and our entire family. So I challenge each of you to become more understanding of people of color. Expand your social networks, listen, learn, honestly reflect on the ways in which you can find ways to engage in communities of people that may not look like you. Mentor black students so that you can help them find these research jobs. Go into the schools and colleges and recruit students and provide scholarships for them. Take the lead. Become inclusive and try to find ways to help people of color. The time is now. And if you don't already have a bulletin board in your centers devoted to people of color who have died of cancer, create one and put the following photos of these great people on it: Chadwick Boseman, Henrietta Lacks, Fannie Lou Hamer, Aretha Franklin, so that you can be reminded of the communities that you are serving. Thank you.